Transferring an IRA to Robinhood is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, it is essential to understand what an IRA is and how it works. An individual retirement account is a type of savings account that allows individuals to save for retirement while also providing tax benefits. The first step in transferring an IRA to Robinhood is to create a Robinhood account. This can be done by visiting the Robinhood website or by downloading the Robinhood app. Once the account is created, navigate to the Retirement Account section and select the option to transfer an existing IRA. The next step is to gather the necessary information and documents. This includes the account number and routing number of the existing IRA, as well as identification documents such as a driver's license or passport. It is also crucial to check with the current IRA provider to see if there are any transfer fees or penalties associated with the transfer. After gathering the necessary information, initiate the transfer process on the Robinhood platform. This involves filling out a transfer form and providing the required information and documents. The transfer form will ask for the account details of the existing IRA, as well as the amount to be transferred. It is essential to note that there are two types of IRA transfers: direct transfer and indirect transfer. A direct transfer involves transferring the funds directly from the existing IRA provider to Robinhood, while an indirect transfer involves withdrawing the funds from the existing IRA and depositing them into the Robinhood account. Direct transfer is the recommended option, as it avoids any potential tax penalties or fees. Once the transfer form is submitted, Robinhood will handle the transfer process, and the funds will be deposited into the Robinhood account within a few days. It is crucial to monitor the transfer process and ensure that the funds are deposited correctly. In conclusion, transferring an IRA to Robinhood is a relatively simple process that can be completed in a few steps. It is essential to understand the process, gather the necessary information and documents, and initiate the transfer on the Robinhood platform. By following these steps and best practices, individuals can successfully transfer their IRA to Robinhood and start investing for their retirement.